Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off phone number sharing on an Android phone. If you're using an Android phone and you want to turn off phone number sharing service by Google, so let's see how can you turn off it or disable it. So you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, go for Google settings option. Right here, just select it and here select all services and here scroll down. Look for phone number sharing option. Just look for it and here that you just have to select it and here you can see the service has been enabled. You just have to tap on it and then it will be disabled. So that's how you can easily turn off phone number sharing on an Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.